In the last two videos, we've looked at how to save. We've looked at how to save and how to save as. We've explained why we need to do that. Now, in this video, assuming you're done with the work and you want to send to a client, the best way to do that is what we're going to learn in this video. Now, number one, while sending the video to a client, you may have no knowledge of the version of ArcGIS your client is using. So to save yourself that stress, asking your client, what version of ArcGIS Desktop do you use? Or maybe your client is even a busy client. So all of that, to save yourself that embarrassment, there is a better way for you to save a file that you send to any client, and the client will open and access the work without an issue. Now, if I am using ArcGIS 10.5 and you are using ArcGIS 10.4, if I sent a map document to you, you won't be able to open it. So the higher versions cannot be opened on the lower version, but the lower version can open. The lower version here can open a lower version. So, but the higher version can open lower versions. So these are some of the distinguishing factors. So the higher the versions, the lowest cannot open. But even as low as the version is, the higher versions will be able to open it. Now, I am using ArcGIS 10.8.2. Take, for instance, somebody who is using ArcGIS 10.8. If I sent a map document that is saved on 10.8.2, the one with the 10.8 won't be able to open it. So to save yourself from all of this issue, what you need to do is you click on save, then you come down to save a copy. So in this save a copy, we have I No.1I. Let's leave it like that. So you come down to save as type. Now let me do something. When you come up here to, let's say, file, and then you say save. Okay, it has saved, but then let's use save as so that you understand what I'm saying. You see that save as type is just ArcMap document, right? So let's cancel. But this time around, when you come to file and you go to save a copy, and you come down to save as type, you click on it, you're going to see varieties of version ranging from version 8.3 down to 8.7. Now, to save yourself a lot of stress, a lot of people, I don't know of anyone using version 9.3 or any version lower than 10.0. I don't even think currently anyone is using version 10.0, but to be on the safer side, you just draw it down to version 10.0, then you click on save. Now, anyone who is using version 10.0 up to version 10.8.2 would be able to open this file. Now, in that case, you don't need to have to send anything to your client. And then, lastly, if you are sending a map document to any client, that implies that you will send it along with the database. That is, this suitability map and these factors and this everything in this AHP folder has to be sent to the client alongside the map document. If not, the client won't be able to open it. So this is fundamentally very important. I will see you in the next video where I will explain some other tips as well. So see you.